Do you suck at life and guitar? Do you wish you could play as good as Herman Rhee?
Well, now you can. Yeah!
With Herman Rhee's super cool sound enhancement pedal, it installs just like any other guitar pedal. Just plug your chords into there and then into your instrument and into your amp.
Yeah.
The sound enhancement pedal was designed by scientists in laboratories to improve the sound of your guitar, bass, keyboard, drums, grandma, yogurt, flute, potato salad, and childhood memories. Also coming soon in VTech, the picture distortion pedal changes ordinary bland pictures like this to fun exciting ones like this for no apparent reason.